how to enable or disable adapt sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now scroll down, then tap on sound quality and effects. From here, we then go down and tap on adapt sound. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can customize your sound based on your age group, under 30, 30 to 60s, or over 60 years old. You can even add personalized sounds profile according to your likeness. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.